friends, I am Amisha Langi. Today I will see types of patterns and their applications. Introduction. A pattern is a regulating in the world in human made design or in abstract ideas. As such, the element of a pattern repeat in a predictable manner. A geometric pattern is a kind of pattern form of geometric shapes and typically respected like a wallpaper design. Any of the senses may directly observe patterns. Conversely, abstract patterns in science, mathematics, or language may be observable only by analysis. Direct observation in practice means seeing visual patterns which are widespread in nature in an art. Next is types of patterns. So there are main types of patterns: single piece pattern, split piece pattern, loose piece pattern, gated pattern, match pattern, sweep patterns, cope and drag patterns, and last is skeleton pattern. So there are uses of patterns. The form first is the form a cavity of proper shape and size in the molding material so that required casting is obtained by molting metal. Second, providing sensing surface for the core that are used for making cavity. Example, core prints. Indirectly checks the dimensions and measurement of the casting. Reduce casting defects. Last is minimize the cost of casting. So, types of pattern. First pattern is single piece pattern. This is the simplest type of pattern, exactly like the desired casting. For making a mold, the pattern is accommodated either in cope or drag, used for producing a few large castings. For example, stuffing box of steam engine. So they are picture of single piece pattern. Applications: soil temper, stuffing box, and last is gland of steam engine. Second is split piece pattern. The pattern is split into two half part. For one half in content in the track and another one in cope. For intricate shape part manufactured using the two or more pattern pieces. The dowel pins used for piece are aligned together, and their applications is spineless steam wall bodies, AK-47 Tiffel stock. Next is match pattern. These patterns are made in two pieces, one piece mounted on one side and other on other side of plate called a match plate pattern. Plate may carry on or group of patterns mounted on match plate. Along with pattern gated and runner are also attached. Produce accurate casting at faster rates. This is picture of match plate pattern. Applications: generally used for small castings such as piston rings of IC engines and rotor bulb. Next is loose piece pattern. This pattern consists of loose piece for easy withdrawal. These loose pieces form integral part of pattern during molding. After mold complete, pattern is withdrawn leaving this loose piece. This is the pattern is loose piece pattern. Applications: pattern having projection or hanging parts. Next is gated pattern. In this pattern, usually made of patterns. In this multi-cavity molds are produced and the sections connecting different pattern services as gate and runner. This facilitates filling the mold in better manner. This is picture of gated pattern. Applications: used for small casting such as corner bracket. Sweep pattern. It is generally used for preparing large symmetrical casting. It is made on wooden board and it sweeps the sand in casting shape all round the circumference. Hence, it serves lot of labor and time. This is the sweep pattern. Applications: symmetrical shapes such as wheels, rhymes, large of cast, iron, and bell shapes. Next is skeleton pattern. Pattern is a skeleton of desired shapes generally mounted on the metal base. Skeleton is made wooden strips and it's filled with loam and sand and remained. Extra sand is removed by stickle. Cores are required from necessary. This is the skeleton pattern. Applications: large castings such as turbines, water pipes, and L bends, etc. Segmental pattern. It is used for preparing circular casting. In this type, it does not revolve continuously like sweep pattern, instead prepares the mold parts. It completed one portion of the mold and then moves to next position to make the next part of the mold, so on till the molds completed. This is the segmental patterns. Applications: used for circular work like rings, gears, wheels, rhymes, pulley, etc. Cope and rack pattern. In this pattern is made into two halves and both are molded in different boxes. After completion of mold, two boxes are assembled to make a cavity. It is also known as two piece or split pattern. So this is the cope and rack pattern, and their applications is flange pipe, water jacket of JCB head. Last is pipe coupling head. Procedure: first, our teacher gave us project of preparing a types of pattern and their applications. We search about types of pattern and their applications. We collect pictures of type of pattern. We made a project report on correct information. Finally, we prepare a project report and chart of types of pattern. Skill development of our micro project: teamwork, leadership, information technology, confidence increase in ourselves, preparation skill in process. Conclusion: we have discussed about pattern and their types. We deeply study their types. We learn uses of pattern. Reference: Manufacturing Process Book and R.K. Rajput Reference Book. Thank you.